Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add pronouns on your Instagram bio. And pronouns is basically like when you see a friend's profile or somebody's profile, right beside the profile name, so right beside where it says Richie Kevin, there's gonna be a pronoun like he, she, him, her. But since I haven't added it, it's not being shown over here. But let me show you guys how you guys can add it, so you guys can add it on your Instagram as well. So follow the step, but before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, open your Instagram and click on your profile picture looking icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're on your profile over here, you can see the edit profile option. Click on it. Once you click on edit profile option, you can see the option called pronouns over here, which is right below username. Click on pronouns and it's going to show you like which pronouns you want to use. So I want to be called he, so I'm going to write he. So under he there's he, her, hers. I'm he, so I'm going to choose he. Once I done that, if I want to add some other pronouns over here, I can add it as well, but I just want to add he, so I'm going to click on done at the top right corner and basically click on done again, and basically my pronoun will be added right beside my name just like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can add pronouns to your Instagram bio. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.